In this video, I'm going to introduce importing a sprite into Construct and then demonstrating three things that we can apply to that sprite to make it a useful part of a game. Basic effects, adding a variable, and adding a behavior. So the first thing I want to do is go to Photoshop, and if you're on a Mac, it's Command Tab. It will take me between the software. So I'm going to go to Photoshop. I'm going to make a new file, and it's going to be 72 dpi because we're working with screen resolution. I'm going to have a transparent background, and I'm going to make just put in a very small object. I'm going to make it just going to do a squiggly drawing, basically. Same sort of thing I could actually do in the editor in Construct, but I just want to show you how to import here. So I'm going to make it 100 pixels by 100 pixels. Actually, no, let's make it a bit bigger, then I can reduce the size. It's easier to reduce than it is to increase. I'm just going to create that. And here's my 200 by 200 pixel size. If I view it at 100%, that's the size it's going to appear on the screen. I'm just going to get my pencil tool, my paintbrush tool, and I'm going to reduce the size of that. I'm going to zoom in so I can see better what I'm doing. And now you're going to witness the amazing power of John's drawing skills. So please, you can have a bit of a laugh. I don't mind. I'm going to just draw a blue stick figure. I just want you to see how we can add files into Construct. So here's my stick figure. I'll just add a couple of bits. So here's my stick character. I'm going to crop it. I can crop it a bit better when I'm in Construct, but I like to save a bit of space. I'm not going to animate him or anything. I'm just going to talk about how we can apply behaviors to it. So I'm going to save him. So save as. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a folder. It's always good to have things well organized. I'm going to call this game assets. I'm going to call this stick man using camel casing. And I'm going to export him out as a PNG. So file, export, quick export as a PNG. There he is. Done. Going to close and get rid of Photoshop. And here I am back in Construct. Okay, I'm going to stop there and then do a separate video for importing.